Got off the ship in the port of Ensenada. It's changed a little since last time we were here. You can get off up there too. I'm guessing we walk through these turnstiles. We'll take these over here.
Like a ride at Disneyland.
Got a lot of tours being sold here. Got a little bar set up. Not sure how much it is. Little shops. This is definitely different than last time. I mean, it's similar. Of course, we haven't left the port. The ship is right outside that window. Hey, look, it's still $3 round trip per person. I wonder if he's going to wait to fill this bus up. So, it's still $3 round trip. $3 round trip shuttle now drops you off here at Plaza Marina, which most of the stores are closed. It used to drop you off down there further. Janet wants you to know there's bathrooms there. They charge 50 cents. So you should know that most places around the world charge for a bathroom. There's a little bar there, restaurant, whatever, pizza maybe. But where they dropped us off, right there, and that's where we get the shuttle back on, across the street from McDonald's. Up one block is Lopez Martinez. That's the main drag. So that's where we're headed right now. The ship is right over there. Remember the flag? We're on the other side of the flag. Mickey D's. McDonald's is right here, right? And this is the main drag, the main shopping area in Ensenada. Now we could have paid money and gone to La Bufadora. They have a big open air shopping place there. We've of course seen that several times. So this trip cost us $3. Lots of stuff to see here. Remember, down here, all prices negotiable. All prices. Exchange rate right now is about 17 pesos to the dollar. Stuff on both sides of the road. Mexican pharmacy. Guess you've heard of those. Up here at the end is Husong's, I believe. We got about a mile of shops. We started in the middle. But I think this side is the heaviest area of shopping. Hey, got yourself a Beatles Abbey Road shirt. Janet's picked a store to go in. I never know the names of any of these places. And then she said it's all t-shirts. So I think she's backing off. Shot glasses, $2. Hats, $5. Big quantity. 3 hats for $10. Give me. People getting drunk already in the morning. None. None alert. Pile of stuff. Ah, yeah. So, sale 20%. See, $3.95, 3 for $10. Shirts. Kind of dark in here. Oh, I have sunglasses on there. That's better. Got these. No picture. I think that means he doesn't want me to videotape. Pretty stuff. I think I came in this store last time. Except there were flamingos right here. So you can see the end of the street up there. That's where the original Who Songs was. I think they had to tear it down and build a new one a few years back. If that's your thing. It's an interesting looking place. Whoa.
You want cigar, man? Everybody, hats, high school memories, shark
Hash
glasses.
pipes. Bongs. 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 Here's your famous Papas and beer. Thought that's where Who Songs was. Maybe it's gone now. Here's Papas and beers. This is La Galleria Rockin' Beer with the Last Supper. And there's Who Songs. The original. Wow. I want to walk over there. Got a concert later. Not quite like it was. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Well, there's Who Songs. Everyone wants Papas and beer now. Show going on up here. So we're leaving Papas and beer. Look, a 7-Eleven. They're just everywhere, huh? Across the street. Okay. Everyone's so nice here on crossing the street. Everybody stops. You don't find that in America, do you?
Guys, ready some of the drink margaritas over there?
I got represent drink.
Welcome to the beautiful store, señorita.
Jewelry, 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 jewelry. Sarapes, toys, jewelry.
young man. Be my guest.
Mi casa es su casa.
See. Tattoos. Back on the main road now again.
Valerie, what's a good corner?
Want to have a look inside, friends?
Skulls with football helmets.
Slow down, guys. Slow down a little bit right here.
Another pharmacy. There's the giant flag. Remember, ship's on the other side of it. We could actually walk back.
Take it, take it. People for the paparazzi.
There's the guy with the flowers again. Grazie. Okay, Look at those. Oh, it smells too. Like they haven't really cleaned them well enough. Some sharp teeth though. I guess these are feet made into bottles. Delicious, huh? There's some big abalone shells. McDonald's was a couple blocks up there. Maybe you can see it. Big flag. You see the ship off in the distance. Not a lot happening down there. I mean, I'm sure there's more shopping and everything, but it's a lot less crowded than up here. So this is kind of the end of the road for us. We're gonna go back to McDonald's and go back to the shuttle bus now, I think. We walked up and down. We're back at McDonald's. Shuttle buses are there. Probably gonna head back to the ship now. Didn't buy anything, but we bought stuff here before. Anyway, say adios to Ensenada. Excuse me.